what they hope to achieve this year. But before we get into that, let's begin with local football. Now, the FKF Women's Cup final between Vihiga Queens and Kibera Soccer Women FC will take place on Sunday, 29th June at Afraha Stadium in Nakuru. Ahead of the much anticipated clash, the coveted trophy was officially unveiled yesterday in Nairobi.
The impact of having players get their money directly, not through any second or third channels, has been very, very immense. And the players have voiced this to me. The teams have told me this directly. So I'm very grateful for that. Our role as an administration, of course, is to strengthen and to empower and to grow the game and to strengthen our athletes and to empower them. So I really hope going forward we will have more and more areas of collaboration. But I'm very, very grateful to BetPower for the opportunity they've accorded FKF, and I really hope we will have more and more areas of collaborations in future.
With you, we would like to officially hand over the trophy for the Women's Cup. We know that some of our women are currently playing in Tanzania. I would like to take the opportunity as well to wish them good luck, because the Locorum bonus doesn't only affect this competition, it supports also the national team, the national women's team, which are competing right now. Locorum bonus is supporting the Women's Cup. We hope that this has been impactful in the federation as well and on the young players, and that it inspires new generations.
We welcome and encourage you to continue supporting the growth of the women's game, which holds so much untapped potential. This season, we have witnessed even more competitive matches across the board, a clear sign that the level of women's football in the country is rising. FKF remains committed to elevating the women's game by creating opportunities, improving visibility, and ensuring our players have the platform to grow and compete at the highest level.
Yes, let's move on.